In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see backed up photos in Google Photos. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, if we open up Google Photos, we need to first of all tap right here at our profile picture. Then down below we can easily find Google Photos settings. After that, tap at the very top at backup, and that's where we need to ensure that backing up Google Photos, backing up our device's photos to Google Photos is actually turned on. Once you ensure that it is turned on, you can now go out of Google Photos, and then we need to head over to a web browser, because the only way to see backed up photos is to head over to photos.google.com. Then make sure you are signed in to correct Google account. To do that, tap right here at these three lines. It will show you your profile picture here, and then if we tap at photos, we'll be able to scroll it down or up to switch between different photos here. In that way we can swipe up or down until we find the photo we are looking for. So guys, that's basically how we can check the exact photos that are for sure backed up to Google Photos. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.